Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Fun Science Demos. Boy, do we have an egg-citing Fun Science scavenger hunt for you today. So I have two eggs here. I have a hard-boiled egg and a raw egg. We put food coloring on this hard-boiled egg so you can see the difference. You're only going to really need the raw egg for our scavenger hunt. So let's get started. Now the first thing I want to point out is that the raw egg is going to spin differently from the hard-boiled egg. Check this out. When I spin the hard-boiled egg, it spins nice and easily. When I try to spin the raw egg, you can see it's spinning slower. And not only does my hard-boiled egg spin easily, watch what happens when I stop it from spinning. Spin, stop, and the egg stops. Now watch what happens when I try to spin the raw egg. Get it spinning, stop, and it starts spinning again. Let's try that one more time. Get it spinning, stop, and it still spins. That's the scavenger hunt for the day. Why does a raw egg keep spinning even after I stop it from spinning? What's the science? What's going on? So go grab a raw egg and give it a spin. Then try and stop it from spinning and see if you notice that the raw egg actually keeps spinning. Then hop online and see if you can find out the answer to why that raw egg keeps spinning even after you stop it. You might want to try out some of our Fun Science demo videos. I would suggest looking at some video that talks about inertia. Then, if you think you've found the answer as to why a raw egg keeps spinning after you stop it, you can post that answer in the comment section below. Take it online and see if you can find out the answer why raw eggs keep spinning even after you stop them. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow for our next Fun Science scavenger hunt. Happy hunting!